Okay, now we're going to climb up to about 90 feet, maybe, because we will clear the trees. And we're going to do a 360 turn in place so you can see, looking east, northeast, north, whoops, no, wait a minute, back up. Anyhow, it was kind of fast, but I did a complete 360 at about 90 feet, something like that. Now we're going to drop back down. Watch out for that tree over there. Yep, my rope's nice and clean. Some nice guy cleaned it a couple days ago. Got to do a little blowing. And there's that rusty pilot again. Handsome guy, don't you think? Okay, let's go do some tight quarters work here. We're going to go down and fly real close in between the fence and the house. Very slowly. Careful, careful. Yep, better go up a little bit. Might hit the shed there. Okay, now we're at 8 feet. There's my Volvo, my favorite Volvo, the gray one. And a little Honda up here, which is a candidate for electric motor. Maybe way down on project list. There's the panel truck. And oops, got water on top of the Jeep. Got to get that off from the rain this morning. Now we're out in the street. There's my nice Sprinter van, the camper, the front of the roof. Oh, it looks super clean. No more leaves. Good, good, good. Okay, now we'll kind of slip back here. Come back over the top. And it's my neighbor's house. They have a barking dog, the yellow house there. Tilt the camera down so you can see. Get positioned here. Yep, roof looks really good. Needs to be replaced though. Needs new roof tiles. Shingles, not tiles. Yep, yep. These trees, these tall green trees, are about 87, 89 feet, something like that, last time I checked. They're way up there. One more quick circle around. That's looking directly east. That's Tony's house where we just inspected the gutters. There's that rusty pilot again. For some reason, when he's flying with the control, sticks his tongue out. Don't know why he does that. Never noticed it till now. And he squints a lot. You can't tell because his glasses have darkened. Okay, we're going to get ready to land here. Call it a day. This flight was only 11 minutes and 26 seconds. Down really gentle, 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 slow, gentle, gentle, gentle. That bounces when it hits the ground. Boom! We're down. That's it. I love you.
That's all, folks.